Okay, here we go. We're gonna unbox this evaluation kit I got today. This Stellaris EKI-LM4F232. It's a Cortex M4 evaluation kit by Texas. Uh, it is more powerful than the launch pads that some of you guys may be familiar with. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. It's a very nice box, looks like a binder or something like that. I had a quick peek before. And in this first pouch here you have the board. Let's save it for last. And then we have just a bunch of USB stick, one USB stick, one battery, CR2032, and then a bunch of USB cables. There's a standard micro USB cable, a mini USB cable, but actually a female adapter, and a mini USB cable. So that's what we have inside. We also have the software and documentation in serium, but that's about it. Let's have a quick look now at the board, which is probably the most interesting part of it. So there we go. Let's try and get a good shot of it. And it has a bunch of stuff, as you guys can see. Let me see if I can find my launch pad for comparison. Here we go. Yeah, so just by the size of it, you can see that it's a much more sophisticated beast. It comes with an OLED display here, a bunch of buttons. Let me just do this. I think it's gonna be better. Yeah, sorry for the glare. Yeah. So yeah, a bunch of buttons. Well, there's a JTAG interface. There's USB on the go. I think that's what this stands for. I think it can be host and device, and yeah, host and device USB thingy. Let me just show you guys the processor. So yeah, Cortex M4 by Texas. By ARM, of course, but yeah, done by Texas. So yeah, all pins are broken out to the board, to the edges of the board. We do have a temperature sensor. Oh, this is interesting. This looks like, I haven't looked at the data sheet yet, but I think this is like 1, 2, 3, 4 channels of ADC, so it can work like a scope or data logger of sorts. Has an SD card slot. In around here, I think, yeah, shunt. You see there's a shunt and amplifier, and yeah, you see there's a current sensor. I think it's one of those INA something by Texas as well. There we go. I mean, it's a very nice board, very cool. Let me just turn it the other side. Yeah, okay, yeah, here we go. This is just your 3 volts battery for hibernation. There's a few unpopulated slots in here. Not quite sure what those do. And in here, I think, what is that? USB. I was gonna say it's a USB controller maybe, but because of the location, but I don't know. Let's have a look at the data sheet later. But well, first I just wanted to power this out and see if there's any out of the box applications. So let me just get this thing here. I need a cable. Let me just find a cable. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, I had all the cables that came with it, but I have this one already handy here. There we go. Okay, cool. Well, let me just do it again. So I'm pouring it up. Cool. Yeah, just a little Texas Instrument splash screen. Oh, okay, cool. So it does come with application, out of the box application. Let's see what it does. Config, channels, period. Let me see. Is there any kind of 1 sec, half a sec? Okay. Huh. I don't know what that does. View. Cool. Okay, so these are the channels. Let's see if I have something for us to measure with this. Let me just get a couple cables. Let's see. Yeah, let's measure. Try and measure this battery that comes with it. Okay, let me just try and get this all in the same shot. So, oh man, let me see if I can do that. Oh, you guys can see the LED here. I think it's, oh, that's the period thing I think we saw before. Maybe that is for just the period for of it. Okay, let me just do the following. This is gonna be very crude, sorry, but just see if I can get something on the screen. Oh, there you go, you see? 3.3 volts in channel 0. Cool. Channel 2, 3.3 volts. Channel 3, 2, sorry. Oops. 2 didn't work, right? Or well. 1, 2, 3. There you go, cool. Alright, so yeah, it comes with a little data measuring thing here. Oh, there's an accelerometer. Cool. Yeah, okay, so if I let it lay flat like this, z-axis is showing 1G as we expect. It is around here, the accelerometer. Cool. Alright, what else we got? Temperature, okay. Now, so it's measuring 43. Oh, that's quite warm. External 28 degrees. I think it's about right. There's a sensor. Let me try and raise this. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Cool. Okay, nice. Current. Oh, okay, current. Yeah, let's have a look at that. Okay, so it says it's drawing 18 milliamps. I think when the LED goes on, it goes up a couple, or actually 3 milliamps, which is fine. Cool. We have a clock. No, I didn't set it, so it's not 1970. Cool. Let me go back once more. View, save. Save. Okay. Oops. Maybe this. I think this is like a data logger indeed. So if I try and let me go back, because I think, let's see, config channels, channel 0. Okay, I think I have to set this to be the hold on. Cool. I can actually, well, let's get temperature. Can I take more than one thing and log? Cool. Yeah, let's do current, internal temperature, and channel 0. Okay, cool. That should do it. And then if I go here, maybe this is the acquisition period then, right? Yeah, it's gonna capture something every second, let's say. All right. Storage, where is it gonna store it? To flash. Okay. All right, that should do it. I'll go back now. Start. I think it's gonna start logging something, right? I hope. Maybe I should also try and get some voltage here on the little thing. Oh, hold on. Yeah, there you go. It's already logging something in there, you see? I think one of those was temperature, right? So let me try and raise the temperature. Nothing. Cool. Well, I hope you guys can see it fine. Very nice. So yeah, it comes with a data logging application out of the box, a bunch of stuff, and well, as you guys could see, it's a very complete board with a bunch of stuff. So just to recap, accelerometer, current sensing, uh, 4 ADC channels here for taking voltage measurements. There's an SD card slot here. What else? Temperature sensor. Did I mention that? Yeah, current sensing. Cool. Yeah. So yeah, and of course the display, which is very nice, very crisp. Of course the resolution. I don't know what the resolution is. Maybe 48 by something. 48 by 96. Is that a standard kind of size? Yeah, I think it is. Anyways, so well, there you go. So yeah, just another quick comparison with the launch pad here. So see if I can get a good shot of that. So yeah. So the launch pad is much smaller, of course. Like half the size maybe. Anyways, but yeah, this is much nicer. Cool. All right. See you around. Hope you enjoyed. Uh, See you next time. Bye bye.